This is how to keep your cryptocurrency safe by revoking access to smart contracts that want to interact with your cryptocurrency for a limited time. All right, they want unlimited access. This can come in the versions of NFT marketplaces, NFT platforms, or decentralized exchanges. So I'm about to show you how to revoke access to smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. So Ethereum is a blockchain, and everything that's done on the Ethereum blockchain is recorded on this ledger, and that ledger can be found. All those transactions that happen on Ethereum can be found in a website called Etherscan.io. So let me go ahead and show you. This is what Etherscan.io looks like. I will leave the description. I will leave this website link in the description so you can see and have easy access to Etherscan.io. But it's literally Etherscan.io/token checker, as you can see here. Alright, so it's called token approval, and what you want to do here, you can either enter in somebody else's address or ENS name. If you don't know about Ethereum naming service names, aka ENS names, I have put a video. I actually made a video describing what an ENS name is and why they're so important. So I actually link that video in this video here. You see that at the top of the screen on the right hand side. But basically, you enter in the address that you wish to track. We're going to be using our own personal address today. So after I enter in my address, which I'm going to do now, obviously I blurred it out because that's my personal information, but you're going to click search here after you enter in your address. The whole point we're doing this is because we want to revoke access to different smart contracts that have tried to have unlimited access to our crypto. All right, this smart contract is by Unisop, and it actually has access to one of the tokens in my wallet right now. So we're gonna go ahead and revoke this, and to revoke this, we're gonna have to connect our Ethereum wallet. So we're gonna click here, and we're gonna come here, and we're gonna click revoke. All right, and it says we have to connect the address to the wallet to be able to revoke this approval. So we're gonna go ahead and connect our wallet to Etherscan.io. And to connect our MetaMask wallet to Etherscan, we're going to go here, and where it says connect to Web3, we're going to click that. It's going to prompt us to enter in our wallet. So we're going to enter it in MetaMask, and we're going to connect our wallet here. Now it says we need to connect to the mainnet, Ethereum mainnet. So we're going to do that. So we're going to go ahead and click revoke here. It's asking us to revoke the token and the spender. We're gonna do both. All right, now we're gonna need to accept it on our Ethereum wallet. Now you do see that transaction is $13. It's kind of high of a transaction, so make sure you revoking this smart contract is something that you're willing to be able to spend. All right, $13. It depends on your financial status and what you're wanting to do, but it can be important. It's actually very important to revoke a transaction because you never know. That platform could be hacked. That smart contract could be hacked. All right, something could go wrong, and if your money is there sitting unlimitedly, you could lose some money. So it's good to revoke it. So I'm gonna go ahead and revoke this just because I have the money to spend. Some people may not be able to. This depends on what your financial status at the time. Like I said, you would then confirm this transaction on your MetaMask wallet and your hardware wallet if you do use one. As you can see now, let me pull it up for you. The transaction is now pending in my MetaMask wallet. Now the transaction is now pending in my MetaMask wallet, or the contract of me revoking access to this smart contract. All right, it's as easy as that. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you wanted to buy Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies, make sure to look in my description because I have given my referral link for Get.io. If you don't already have an account, Get.io account is one of the best exchanges in my opinion to be able to buy cryptocurrencies for very low transactional fees. All right, that's all I have for y'all today. That is how you revoke access to smart contracts that want to spend your cryptocurrency unlimitedly. All right, you want to be in complete control of your cryptocurrency, and that's how to do it on the Ethereum blockchain only. All right, I'm going to come up with some videos on how to do it on Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and some of these other layer 1 blockchains. So please stay tuned for that. And that's all I have for y'all today. Y'all have a blessed day.